Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $4,200, Lynnwood, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a solid late 70s American coupe located in Lynnwood, Washington. It is powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 122,000 miles. The car runs very well and remains largely original. The blue exterior presents nicely, though it has a cracked windshield and minor surface rust, with no major rust reported. Everything functions properly, it carries a clean title, and it wears collector plates. This Monte Carlo is an excellent entry-level classic that can be enjoyed as a usable daily driver. Number 2. 1968 Plymouth Satellite Belvedere, $4,850, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1968 Plymouth Satellite Belvedere four-door sedan is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It is powered by the dependable 225 cubic inch slant-6 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 150,000 miles. The car runs and drives great and has received recent maintenance, including new brakes, battery, tires, shocks, a rebuilt carburetor, and a tune-up. Everything works as it should. Rust is present in the lower quarter panels and some floor pan areas. Originally purchased new in Manhattan, Kansas, this Satellite is an honest and affordable classic cruiser. Number 3. 1988 Chrysler Conquest TSI, $3,500, San Mateo, California. This one-owner 1988 Chrysler Conquest TSI is a rare 80s performance coupe located in San Mateo, California. It remains completely stock and is powered by a 2.6-liter turbocharged engine with an automatic transmission, showing 130,000 original miles. The car runs but has a leaking water pump and will need to be towed. Overall condition is good for its age. Finding these cars in original condition is becoming increasingly difficult, making this a desirable project for enthusiasts. Number 4. 1979 Ford Fairmont, $2,795, Colorado Springs and Manitou, Colorado. This 1979 Ford Fairmont is a rare survivor offered in Colorado Springs and Manitou, Colorado. It is powered by a straight-six engine with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 43,706 miles, though actual mileage is unknown due to rollover. The car is mostly original and features a previously rebuilt transmission. It was running and driving before being parked several years ago and now needs a new battery. Sold as is and requiring towing, this Fairmont is an uncommon and collectible late 70s sedan. Number 5. 1981 Datsun 280 ZX 2+2, $6,500, Grass Valley, California. This 1981 Datsun 280 ZX 2+2 is located in Grass Valley, California, and has been carefully owned by an enthusiast. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it shows 103,766 miles. The car is California smog compliant, registered, and comes with a clean title. It has been daily driven and performs well despite normal age-related quirks. The 280ZX remains a respected classic Japanese sports coupe known for comfort and reliability. Number 6. 1975 Cadillac ElDorado Coupe, $7,500, San Francisco, California. This 1975 Cadillac ElDorado Coupe is a lifelong California car located in San Francisco. It is powered by the massive 8.2-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows a low odometer reading of 1,000 miles. The car runs and drives well and retains its original paint and interior. There is no rust in the floor pans or trunk and only minimal rust elsewhere. Recently tuned, this ElDorado is a strong driver and a true example of 70s American luxury. Number 7. 1979 Ford F250 Ranger 4-wheel drive, $4,900, Kennewick, Washington. This 1979 Ford F250 Ranger 4-wheel drive pickup is located in Kennewick, Washington. It is powered by a mildly built 400 cubic inch V8 engine with performance upgrades and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives well and shows 88,613 miles. It has minor rust but remains solid overall. Features include power steering, power brakes, locking hubs, a side toolbox, and a new front windshield. With a clean title and working 4-wheel drive, this truck offers strong vintage utility. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, 25th anniversary, $7,500, Auburn, Washington. This 1978 Chevrolet Corvette 25th Anniversary Edition is located in Auburn, Washington. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 78,000 miles. The car starts easily and runs and drives near perfectly. The interior is very nice, all gauges function properly, and the car remains completely stock. The body is straight, though the paint shows wear. With a clean title, this Corvette represents excellent value for a classic sports car. Number 9. 1962 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, $9,500, Ryderwood, Washington. This 1962 Ford Thunderbird Convertible is a rust-free project located in Ryderwood, Washington. The body is very straight, with only one small dent in the passenger side quarter panel. It has been in storage since 1980 and includes power windows, power seat, and a power convertible top. The interior is in decent condition, the dashboard is uncracked, and all glass is in good shape. An aftermarket roadster kit is included. With a clean title, this Thunderbird is an excellent restoration or preservation candidate. Number 10. 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible, $16,000, CANOGA Park, California. This 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible is located in CANOGA Park, California, and shows 83,000 miles. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, steers, and stops. However, it has only been driven short distances recently and will require recommissioning, including attention to fluids, tires, ignition components, radiator, and brakes. It is best viewed as a strong starting point rather than a ready cruiser. The Starfire remains one of Oldsmobile's most elegant classic convertibles. Number 11. 1963 Mercury Comet, $7,000, Fair Oaks, California. This 1963 Mercury Comet is a running and driving project located in Fair Oaks, California. It is powered by a new 302 cubic inch V8 engine with approximately 1,500 miles and an automatic transmission. The car features upgraded brakes, fuel system components, radiator, alternator, exhaust, and new tires. The interior is original and worn, with some noises and minor leaks present. Despite its imperfections, it is driven regularly and offers strong mechanical value in a compact classic platform. Number 12. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Convertible, $7,500, Los Feliz, California. This 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Convertible is an all-original, rust-free classic located in Los Feliz, California. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, the odometer has rolled over. It has been a daily driver in Los Angeles for 29 years and is registered through 2027. Everything works, including the power top, lights, and gauges. While it needs suspension rubber, interior work, and fluid service, the engine is leak-free and the power top operates well. This Falcon offers excellent ownership history and long-term potential.